This is basic nunchuk techniques. We're going to do one nunchuk. We're going to do a front switch on the right. And then we're going to do a front switch on the left. One more time, please. Right and left. Then we're going to do a figure eight using your right hand. So you go outside of your body in the figure eight. Now we're going to do it on the left hand. So left hand, it's a little more difficult on our left hand. So figure eight. So now we're going to do a block. So the block is also, it's a figure eight, but it's smaller and it's more concise and more close to the body. Do one, two, and then or back up. All right, we switch. So we have a block on the left. Now we're going to have a strike and capture on the right hand. So it's a figure eight and back to underneath your arm. One, two, under. Now we're going to do it on the left side. So strike, capture, strike, capture. Now we have a front strike. So it goes side, side, and up. Now we're going to do on the left, side, side, up. Switch. One more time, Miss Morgan. One, two, up. Switch. And now the left. One, two, up. Now this is a side strike. It looks similar to a front strike, but it's more stepping to the side. So step, you're going to hit somebody to the side. One, two, up. One more time. Step, one, two, up. And now we're going to switch. All right, now we're going to hit them using your left hand. Step, one, two, up. One more time. One, two, up. Now this one's a little complicated. This one is around your neck. So you're going to take your left hand, put it by your cheek, and then you're going to put it around your neck. So as Ms. Morgan showed, you can also do a little bit bend down. So you take it the other side, and you go around the neck. Thank you, Ms. Morgan.